Yeah. So yeah, like form and function. Form influences function. Shape influences function. So when we're doing our meditations and our practices, and you're working on different, say like mental training exercises or shaping of intention, shaping of the mind, which will shape the energy, right? And when you shape the energy in a different way, it has a different quality. It takes on a different quality. It can take on different information, right? And basically like different consciousness. And it's a very interesting way to practice. And you can refine your intention. You can refine the capacity of the mind and the precision of the mind to create very, very precise, intricate shapes or informations, right, for the alteration of energy. So if you explore, like the shape we did with the energy earlier, that has a very different feeling when you're just generally poor breathing. It has one type of feeling. Then you, in a sense, impose this shape, or you could think of it as release into this shape, and it alters drastically. There's an incredible harmony to that particular shape that we used. And you're exploring all these shapes and these cool things, and each one, when you place yourself at its center, right, and allow it to become the field, and allow that field to saturate through you, through the different layers, mental, astral, physical, it will influence each in a different way. It's a very fun way to practice, and there's a lot of value in it. And as you improve, you can start, doing things like mandalas. Like there's very complex mandalas that people will hold as meditation objects. They're often held as like a meditation object outside the body, right? But you hold your meditation object. The point of that is to dissolve object and observer, right? So then you become that object. And another way to explore it is to take that mandala. You could build it in the ball between the hands, shape the ball between the hands, the energy between the hands into the mandala, see it there, and then pop it into the field. And watch how it affects you. It's super, super fun. And worthwhile for practice. And yeah, that's all I gotta say on that.